Hey, AP students, how you doing? Probably exhausted, tired, and nervous about the exam, but all's going to be well. We're going to have this thing done a week from tomorrow. Whew, that's scary. All right, but let's talk about our plan for today. So today is Wednesday, and here's what we are going to get done. We are going to work on our LEQ and our SAQ test. So let's take a look first off at the SAQ. We went over this for a bit yesterday, kind of went in the lab and did some explaining on this picture from ERA 5. So you're going to continue to work on this in lab number 4 in your groups and get as much as possible on that Google Doc. All right? So in addition, we have an LEQ. All right, this is your second to last LEQ of the year. We're almost there. You're going to make it. None of you are going to die. Well, most of you won't. But we're going to be all right. Okay? Well, most of you. So let's take a look at the actual prompt here for our LEQ. In the period 1750 to 1900, challenges to the existing political order led to rebellions and revolutions around the world. Your question is this: develop an argument that evaluates how challenges to the existing political order led to one or more rebellions or revolutions around the world. So, get together with your group and decide what kind of question you think this is, or what kind of way to write it: comparison, causation, CCOT, and we're going to use that Google Doc again that we were working on yesterday to fill in the information and get as much done as possible. So we'll be in lab 4. So looking at what all needs to be done. So let's take a look right here. Now, get that doc filled out, because on Friday when we come back, we are actually going to have the ERA 5 test with the SAQ and the LEQ, and you'll be handing in ERA 5, and you're going to get your last review packet of the year. Don't worry, this will all be over by Thursday, and actually Wednesday in class, when you take the ERA 6 test, you'll be done with homework for the whole year. All right? We're just going to do this last kick at the end, and you're all going to be fine. Well, most of you. Anyway, so that is the plan, and I will be back tomorrow. If you wonder where I am, I think I told you this, but I am not here because I am actually at the University of Minnesota today because my wife finished her master's degree. There you see us. There she is right there. And she finished her master's degree this year and also got her citizenship. She's a pretty incredible woman. So I'm real proud of her. So I'm with her today, and I will see you guys on Friday. So to lab 4 with our awesome, amazing teacher who's here to lead you and help you and guide you and all that stuff. So get to work, and I will see you guys on Friday.